All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we got a new shop tool, and I'm excited. All right, so this is actually a tool we've been waiting for a couple months now, and I am super pumped about it. And if you follow me on social media, you know what it is. But it's awesome. And if you want to zoom in real quickly, you might be able to see what it might be. Oh! All right, so I'll quit teasing you. We've got a factory interface for BMW and Minis. ICOM A, made by Actia for BMW. And I am super pumped about this. I know a lot of guys, when I posted on social media, talked about AutoLogic and, using AutoLogic over BMW ISTA. ISTA is the factory scan tool. The reason we went BMW ISTA over, say, AutoLogic is information. One of the things we've been lacking from our normal sources, i.e. ALLDATA and Identifix, is service information. Like simple service information like a belt diagram on a Mini. Unfortunately, the only way to get the information is part of the subscription to ISTA, BMW's Air, which is their service information. It allows us to do, anything the factory can do. It's the same information they get. But part of the subscription, which we will be doing a yearly subscription to ISTA, is service information. I am super excited about that because we have had to do short-term subscriptions to get information, and there's a series of cars, if you're not familiar with them, called the F Series, where you do not want to try programming them with a J box. It's just not fast enough. And the likelihood of bricking a module, trying to program an F car with a J box is incredibly dangerous as far as expensive. So we now will be able to program F cars without problems because we now have the factory interface. Now I know some of you guys are going, oh, well, BMW, you've seen what's going on around the shop. We work on a lot of BMWs. So big stuff for us. I'm really excited. And you got to see what's in the box. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. You want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out more videos. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.